Friends, welcome and greetings to everyone. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss an important topic that is used in our interview. That means when you are going to face an interview, then you are asked to introduce yourself. So, what should you say? It totally depends on you. Now, my student Athoi will introduce herself according to her own words. Now, let's hear her words. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay, start introduce yourself.
thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself with you. I am Athoi Afro Janati. I read in class 5. I am 11 years old. My favorite color is black. My favorite food is pizza. I have a pet animal named Titu. It's a parrot. My father's name is Sister Arajali. My mother's name is Oliver Islamita. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, do you have any strength and weakness?
No.
Okay, thank you, dear viewers. You can add your own words. And if you have any suggestion, please write in the comment section to add the beauty of the self introduction. That can be fruitful in your vibe about. So, thank you very much for watching. And we have to keep it in your brain that through mistakes we learn better. So, mistakes are the steps that can help you to reach your desired goal. So, thank you very much for watching.